Today we are going to discuss about how to find out number of isomers for alkanes by using simple trick. The trick is here trick for isomers only for alkanes. Okay, clear it is. That is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1. Here n equal to number of carbons. Here n equal to number of carbons. These formula used for only, that is n equal to 1 to 7 carbons. 1 to 7 carbons. Okay. Another formula, that is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 2. These formula used for n equal to 8. N equal to 8 means if any alkane having 8 carbons, then n equal to 8 carbons means that is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 2. Okay. 2 power of n minus 4 plus 3. These formula used for n equal to 9. Okay, clear? That is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1 plus n. These formula used for n equal to 10. N equal to 10 means, that is if any alkane having 10 carbons, then its isomer formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1 plus n. If n equal to 9, if any alkane having 9 carbons, then number of isomers formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 3. If n equal to 8 means if any alkane having number of carbons equal to 8, then number of isomers formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 2. Okay. Then examples. Here methane having only one carbon, that is CH4. CH4 means central atom carbon, and the central atom having 4 bonds with hydrogen atoms. Okay, clear? Here it is n equal to only one carbon, that is one carbon means that is n equal to 1 to 7 carbons. Then number of isomers formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1. Okay, by using these formula, number of isomers, that is number of isomers for methane equal to 2 power of n minus 4. That is 2 power of, here n equal to 1. Methane having only one carbon, that is 1 minus 4 plus 1. Okay. Here it is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1. That's why 2 power of 1 minus 4 plus 1. That is 2 power of minus 3 plus 1. But here 2 power of minus 3. These term will be neglected. Totally, that is only 1. This term will be neglected. Remaining is 1. That is methane having only one isomer. Methane having only one isomer. Clear? That is methane containing only single carbon. Another example, that is ethane. Ethane means that is C2H6 formula, that is 2 carbon atoms, each carbon having 4 bonds. That is, here it is 1 bond, each carbon having remaining 3 bonds with 3 hydrogen atoms. Ethane formula will be C2H6. Okay, clear? Here it is ethane containing 2 carbon atoms. That is number of isomers for ethane. That is ethane containing 2 carbon atoms. That is, here it is n equal to 1 to 7 carbons. Okay. Then ethane formula, isomers formula will be 2 power of n minus 4. That's why number of isomers for ethane equal to 2 power of n minus 4. Here n equal to 2 minus 4 plus 1. That's why 2 power of minus 2 plus 1. These term will be neglected. Okay, 2 power of minus 2 term will be neglected. That is remaining is 1. That is ethane isomers equal to 1. Ethane isomers equal to only 1. Okay, clear? Next, propane. Propane containing 3 carbon atoms, and its general formula will be C3H8. Okay. Here it is 3 carbon atoms, 1 to 7 carbons. A number of isomers formula will be 2 power of n minus 4. That's why 2 power of 3 minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 2 power of minus 1 plus 1. 2 power of minus 1 term will be neglected because of minus is there, that is remaining number of isomers equal to only 1. Propane having is also number of isomers equal to only 1. Propane means that is 3 carbon atoms. Okay, each carbon having 4 bonds, remaining bonds with hydrogen atoms. Okay, clear? Okay, here it is propane having number of isomers equal to only 1. Next coming to butane. Here it is butane. Butane containing 4 carbon atoms. Its general formula will be that is C4H10. Okay, here it is number of carbons equal to 4. That's why 4 means number of carbons. Its isomer formula will be 2 power of n minus 4. That's why 2 power of 4 minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 2 power of 0 plus 1. 2 power of 0 means 1 plus 1. Total number of isomers in butane equal to 2. Here it is 4 carbon atoms, that is 4 carbon atoms, and each carbon having 4 bonds, remaining bonds with hydrogen atoms. Okay, clear? Here it is the one isomer of butane. Another isomer of butane. Total isomers equal to 2 in butane. That is 3 carbons like this and remaining carbon. Okay, like this. Here it is carbon having 4 bonds. That's why one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen atom, hydrogen atom, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here it is 3 hydrogen atoms. Okay. Total 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total hydrogen atoms equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here it is another isomer of butane. That is butane having 2 isomers. Okay. That is 2 isomers for butane. Next, another example. Pentane. Pentane having 5 carbon atoms. That's why its general formula will be C5H12. C5H12. In C5H12 having how many number of isomers? Here it is N equal to 5. That is pentane having 5 carbon atoms. That's why formula will be 2 power of n minus 4. Here n equal to 5. 5 minus 4 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1. Total isomers for pentane having only 3. 3 isomers for pentane. Okay, clear? Next, similarly, hexane. Hexane means that is C6H14. C6H14. Here it is number of carbons equal to 6. That's why 2 power of 6 means n equal to 6. That is 1 to 7. Formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1. That's why 2 power of n. Here n equal to 6 minus 4 plus 1. That equal to 2 power of 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Total isomers for hexane equal to 5. Okay. Similarly, heptane. Heptane containing total 7 carbon atoms. That's why C7H16 is the general formula of heptane. Okay. Here it is n equal to 7. N equal to 7 means that is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1 is the isomer formula. That's why for heptane 2 power of 7 minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 2 power of 3 plus 1. 2 power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 into 2, that is 8. 8 plus 1. Total 9 isomers per. Next, coming to octane. Here it is octane. Octane general formula will be C8H18. Okay. In octane, n equal to 8 carbon atoms. That is, n equal to 8 means number of isomers formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 2. That's why here it is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 2. Okay, here it is n equal to 8, 2 power of 8 minus 4 plus 2. That's why 2 power of 4 plus 2. 2 power of 4 means that is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2, that is 16 plus 2, total 18 isomers for octane. Total 18 isomers for octane. Next, similarly, nonane, and its formula will be C9H20. C9H20 means that is N equal to 9. N equal to 9 means that is number of carbon atoms equal to 9. That's why its isomer formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 3. That's why here it is n equal to 9. Okay, and its formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 3. That's why 2 power of n means 9. Here it is number of carbon atoms equal to 9. That's why 9 minus 4 plus 3. Okay, 2 power of 5 plus 3. Okay, 2 power of 5 means 2 power of 4 means that is 16 into 2, that is 32. 32 plus 3. 32 plus 3. Total isomers for nonane equal to 35. Total isomers if n equal to 9. Decane. Next, coming to decane. Decane means that is C10. Number of carbons equal to 10 and the number of hydrogens is equal to that is 22. 22. C10H22. That is decane general formula. Then its isomers formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1 plus n. Okay, that is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1 plus n. Here n equal to number of carbon atoms. That's why 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1 plus n equal to 10. Number of carbons equal to 2 power of 10 minus 4. That's why 2 power of 6 plus 1 plus 10. Here it is 2 power of 6. 2 power of 5 means that is 32. 32 into 2, that is 64. 64 plus 1 plus 10. That's why 65 plus 10. 75 isomers per decane. Okay, 75 isomers per decane. Therefore, calculation to write number of isomers for alkanes, that is first one is methane. Methane number of isomers equal to only 1. And methane having only n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means that is methane having only 1 carbon atom. Ethane having number of isomers is also 1. Here ethane having number of carbons equal to 2 and propane number of isomers equal to 1. Propane means that is number of carbons equal to 3. Butane number of isomers equal to 2 and pentane number of isomers equal to 3 and hexane number of isomers equal to 5 and heptane number of isomers equal to 9. Octane number of isomers equal to 18 and nonane number of isomers equal to 35 and decane number of isomers equal to 75. Okay, clear? Up to heptane. That is n equal to 1 to n equal to 7. Okay, here it is general formula for these n equal to 1 to n equal to 7 is 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1. That is total number of isomers general formula. Okay, here it is n equal to 8. N equal to 8 means that is number of isomers formula will be 2 power of n minus 4 plus 2. Okay, clear? Nonane, that is n equal to 9. For n equal to 9, number of isomers n equal to 9, number of isomers equal to 2 power of n minus 4 plus 3. for n equal to 9. Here it is decane. Decane means that is n equal to 10. N equal to 10. 2 power of n minus 4 plus 1 plus n for n equal to, it is decane. Decane number of isomers equal to 75. Okay. Total before isomers to add, then finally we get 75 total isomers for decane. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 8. Okay, plus 35 up to 35. Total isomers equal to 75. Here decane isomers is also 75. Okay, clear? That is the number of isomers for alkanes.